Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers. It's been a while since I made reviews on the Blizzard ice cream treats from DQ, and now here's a new flavor for the summer. It's called the dipped strawberry cheesecake Blizzard. Alright, just gonna do is give this one a try and see how it tastes. Alright, here we go. So let's give that one a try. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. It tastes like cheesecake with some chocolate dipped strawberries mixed with the ice cream. Very yummy. Just gonna give another try. Mmm, yummy, yummy. So, yeah, it probably consider one of the yummiest and one of the best flavor for the summer menus for the DQ Blizzard line of all time. It probably consider one of the most yummy and the best flavors of all time. So I highly recommend to try this flavor. It's really yummy. So anyways, what do you think about this Blizzard treat? Let me know what you think. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos that you might be interested in, and I'll see what I come up with next. So anyways, thanks for the support, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon, and bye for now.